In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keypad. Begin by launching your keypad and hitting this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now scroll and click on those icons at the top right corners of each category to see all available themes. After finding perfect one, tap on it. Use this switcher next to keyboards to switch them off or on, and when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But now my favorite part. Click on the same icon of a color palette, and this time, instead of picking any of those themes, click on plus icon under my themes. Tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background, like this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboards, and then hit Apply. So when I do that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to edit it, tap on the same icon one more time, tap on your theme, it will be located under my themes, and tap on pen icon next to the bin one to make your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!